My sister found me this. It's complete, and it runs now. Bar and chain, clutch cover with a chain brake, and the case. Nothing particularly unique about it. It's labeled a partner, however, these were branded under many different manufacturers. I've seen Partner, obviously. I've seen Jonsered, Husqvarna. Then a couple weird names like Danarm, I think. Omark, maybe. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But they this one says made in USA. 1616. I don't know. Could be probably 1.6 cubic inch, 16-inch bar. So it's a little one. You can tell just by looking at the piston on it. It's hard to tell, but it's little. And it's a well-made little saw. All mag construction, has the chain brake, 16-inch bar. It's clamshell, but clamshell into magnesium, so it's solid. But what's particularly unique about it is right there. This little fan on the clutch. What's unique about it is its purpose. When I first saw it, I was additional cooling, cool the clutch area. For a little saw like this, it's not generating a ton of heat. It's a fairly small clutch. In the hands of a fool, you can break anything. But I don't think that's what that's for. I think what it's for is it does have a flywheel fan that takes care of your engine cooling. It's right here. See all that? See the louvering and the venting? Well, this goes like this. Your exhaust goes through there, and then as your fan's going this way, it's forcing it out somehow. It's drawing it away from you, and pretty cool. Usually, these things are under, they're screaming at 12,000 RPM. It's really not needed. That exhaust is going away from you anyway. But cool little piece of engineering that you would never see today. It's too expensive. Just like a magnesium cased saw, it's too expensive. But pretty cool. Piston cylinder's perfect. And it runs good and runs strong. I didn't do a compression check, but it's got plenty. So, not bad for free. It'll be going down the road though. I have no need for it. It is cool, but I'm not going to keep it. Anyway, price was right. Thank you to my sister for finding it. Appreciate it.